Every once in a while, a car comes along and I just say, wow, I gotta love this car. It's a 1973 Camaro RS LT. All matching motor, matching transmission, matching rear end, posi rear end. True RS with the RS lights in the front, factory wheels, period correct tires, factory air conditioning that works. This car was restored to all original specs. Look at how beautiful this car. Factory colors, dark red with the vinyl top, comfort weave interior. You just don't see it very often. Factory comfort weave interior. Again, AC blows cold. The car is immaculate, gorgeous. Tons of money spent on this restoration. It's here at Hollywood Motors. Beautiful car, just came in today. I love it. I just took it down a block, around the corner, on the highway. Beautiful. 73 Camaro RS LT 350, matching everything, completely restored to specs, never rusted. Beautiful car. Check us out. HollywoodMotorsUSA.com.